That was the bell. Thank you guys for getting started on your warm-up. For any new students that are in the building today, my name is Dan C. Bearded. I am the trusted teacher, and I'd like to give you guys this series, Carrier Oil 101, so you know what products and ingredients are going into your beard. I genuinely think an educated buyer is a powerful consumer. When you have that power, we can empower these companies to make the right choices, to use the best ingredients that may cost a little bit more, but it's better for that beautiful beard on your face. So I hope you guys like learning about these different things, and you're checking the bottles, you're checking the balms and the products you have at home, and also checking it with some in the stores and realizing, when I'm seeing all these ingredients on here, it may not be a good thing. But I also like to address misconceptions. Sometimes we think something is bad when it's actually good, or vice versa. If you see something like fruit in the name, you're like, oh, that's awesome. Not always. There may be some downfalls to that. Today, we'll be covering the Carrier Oil Grapeseed Oil. So if you'd like to learn more about this or anything beard, role model, family related, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I get a lot of people that watch my videos. It's almost 50% actually, and they're not subscribed. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, join this journey, join this positive community, and welcome. Stay tuned for some more information on grapeseed oil. Where does this product come from? I thought it was pretty cool that grapeseed oil is actually a byproduct of the winemaking industry. Wine has been made for thousands of years, and they've been getting grapeseed oil from that byproduct ever since then. Wine is made by pressing grapes, and then they just discard the grape seeds. Well, they figured out that they could extract oil from the grape seeds and use it for many different reasons. So really cool that this is actually a byproduct of another industry. History. Grapeseed oil has actually been around for over 6,000 years. Europeans have been using this oil to treat diseases related to the skin, eyes, and hair for thousands of years. It has also been used as an alternative to olive oil for a cooking oil, and it is really well liked for that purpose because it has a very high heat or smoke temperature, where it doesn't smoke until it gets up to this very high heat and temperature, which is a very good thing to have in a cooking oil. So many uses, thousands of years, really cool story and history behind this product. Why? We see this on a lot of bottles of beard oil, and especially in a lot of balms. Why are companies using this? A lot of reasons. One, it's high in fatty acids. Two, it has a lot of vitamin E. It also will easily loosen dead skin cells and rehydrate. It is also very high in linoleic acid, which is proven to promote hair growth. And it is a very thin oil that is good for absorption. It is very nicely matched with a good thick oil. The thick oils don't absorb as well, so the grapeseed oil helps it absorb into your pores and into your skin in a very nice way. Those are all reasons why companies choose to use this product. Approval. Does the trusted teacher approve of this product in your beard and in my beard? The jury's out. It can be a good product, but it also can be a bad one. First reason, hexane. Almost all of the commercially available grapeseed oil is used by extracting using a chemical solvent called hexane. It's easier to extract, and hexane is actually classified as an air pollutant and a neurotoxin. Not something that you want anywhere near your beard, but it's cheaper for companies to do that. And a lot of companies are using grapeseed oil that has been extracted with hexane. Now some are fine. Some grapeseed oil companies are using cold press techniques, and they're great. But I would beg of you to press companies. What is your source of this grapeseed oil? Where is it coming from? Is it all natural, or was it extracted using hexane? And I think a lot of companies, it's out of ignorance. They don't actually know that this is the process that is happening. Number two reason, there are zero clinical studies in history done on the effectiveness of grapeseed oil on hair and skin. Now, I'm a firm believer in experience. I think experience is key. But I also, as a trusted teacher, want to see some research behind that. So I need a little bit of time, I need some clinical research done to see if any of these benefits are actually true. Because we know a lot of times things look great on paper, but they don't always translate over in practicalness. So that's number 2. Number 3 reason where I have a worry, grapeseed oil has the shortest shelf life out of any carrier oil I've studied. Number 1 shortest. It will have a shelf life of 3 to 6 months on average. Now, if you're going to use a beard oil in 3 to 6 months, you're good. If you use that every month, you're solid. But if you're like me and you have hundreds of beard oils that you use on occasion, if you're not going to get to that in 6 months, it's probably going to lose its odor or go rancid. And to me, that's a problem, especially when you compare it to something like castor oil that has a shelf life of 5 years. That's a very, very large difference. So for all of those reasons, the jury's out. There are some great properties to it, but I have some very worrisome properties. The number 1 thing I'm worried about is that hexane. Are companies actually sure where they're getting this product from, or is it something they're just purchasing offline? Now, question for you guys to end with this. Out of all the carrier oils that I've covered so far, which one did you learn the most about or think was the most interesting? I am absolutely loving this series. I put a lot of research into multiple sources. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of Michigan, and I have 2 master's degrees, and with those, you get library resources to universities that you can't just find on the internet. I actually have my student logins, I go to these resources, I get peer-reviewed journals, I get clinical studies, and I look at the real facts, the real data, not just headlines from Google. So I really love this series. I hope you guys are appreciating this research and information. So let me know which one has been the most helpful or interesting to you. So thank you guys for joining on this. I hope you had an awesome class today. We will have a final coming up soon. Who knows? Maybe a giveaway will be in on some of these. Stay tuned, you guys. Dan C. Bearded, you have an awesome day. Great class today.